any dear, this SOMPA dear. A market SOMPA dear, Sassiso, and many dear. SOMPA FM, SOMPA TV, market SOMPA dear, M-I-N-G. Wafidi and to SOMPA FM and TV Nebema Wenijie and Yakachapa Nebema Wenijio Sabra Waymo Dakini Be natural sooner dear when ya Bema Wenijie Akatia Panso Kamu Emakatia Papa Wafidi and to SOMPA FM and TV. Why?
Nonsia, a higher SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Ghana de Shimaima, Yamabunina, Chi, a Branson, said in a KJC Company Limited and upon Nonsia Cassia Bono, Yade, a Sumo Cassiaboi, and Nam SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. No, a Sansu and Enam, your headquarters, Wokumase, and yes, SOMPA 93.1 FM, Kumasi once why Yiko 100.9, Paris, France, a year, Adam Fopa FM, one more Takwa Sumo SOMPA 101.1, Takwa de SOMPA 103.3, Tachima SOMPA 106.1 FM, Sunyana SOMPA 98.9, and Kranza SOMPA SOMPA 90.7, Doma SOMPA 101.3, Na Mankasim for Asum Ewo Kingdom 106.1 FM Ewo Mankasim, Decoder so SOMPA FM, Facebook SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. We like page no no share page no na woni yakọ nakrana and na YouTube SOMPA FM live. We are in semi yaboni nyina bede e de akwa akoto www.sompaonline.com na ye kamu se na KJC Company Limited anopa no nsia kase bo na wutie no e wo SOMPA Accra, 106.5, and secure sanitary pass, Ejina Bababa, and Ma Ahotoso, and point to homeopathic clinic and so, Ejina Tata, and somewhere you did someone pay, was SOMPA and crying. Did you want to know, Ebony?
Uko Piemo, Ewa Boko, and send someone AC woman, Menwasia, AC Wanua, Ghana Medical Association, 1
Dr. Kingsley Ajumai, Wakasa Edia Fakwaya, Imposi Ariano Abai Akananwatum, Ewo.
Nansan sani aban project bi awo ye minority for chese wo mu hu ba bi aban be fa sika de afiri nti aban mechirem
na Unibank asamono na former deputy attorney general honorable Alfetia Yeboah was say kwan attorney general efa so aya asamono enye fe enye akono
eno na kane aban lawyer pani Godfred Yeboah adamede atoja se ne sa de a ato asien yenyini mfrafiase
na former director general de my internal audit agency wono so akasa ye de nsam no nyina ebeba
ensem na hodo bebre eka we no ho a amanone nsem enso eka ho no bie ena we no obi ene ne na obrempon na kwakwampoma mene maame
akosua ago aboagye obetimi afrem akosua nhira
ye ba bebese no ede amawo Yesha enkomona se na yakohyase e de afiri boko nansan sensem ya ekoso ewo boko mentebe ho ase a asie ye omanfo bebre no a ye nyina animsem no enam so na Ghana Medical Association e de won ano atonsem no bi kire se apomni adwuma yefo ye won potem ho won hia bambo papa sanse nia ekoso no se aban amfa bambo a emu oden amfa ma won mo a ewo ho eje nkwa ebo akra ne nkwa ho ban ewo ho no a ebe ha adwene pa no nti Peni a wono church for penny Edema Ghana Medical Association Yera Richard Salome and our name some Pacassia Abonco watches and Ocre near Elcosuna Hadjane and you will be a penese bassa and a bio upon the edgement for 1 more person we are Jumapa. Now one more share 1 more a one edge woman, a boom and hobby. Then so Beco now no now quack you being crazy one when the bambonadi Yana Sadiano and yet Anuntia buying.
Of course, you have to live to let live. And so at any time that he feels threatened, we will not hesitate to ensure that he's evacuated from the place. Because if he is not alive or he is harmed, he cannot even provide the services that he's sworn to provide. And so for us, he has expressed his desire to continue serving until he feels unsafe. And so we'll continue to support him. But then once the place is unsafe, he ever feels unsafe at any moment, we will definitely ensure that he's evacuated from the place. Beyond the Boku township itself, this is escalating to the adjoining districts. It's not about just Boku itself, as you've heard from the discussion. This is fanning out into other areas. And so we think that it's important that government intervenes quickly, the leaders and the traditional authorities intervene quickly and bring peace and calm to Boku and then the area so that professionals can render the service to them and they can also go about their work in peace.
We Richard Salome, one of church for Edema Ghana Medical Association.
Dr. Kingsley Ajimai, so would do Mashebe Jemu Abeja for more Eshimpum Din Samsono, Wakahones were a member, Health Committee in Parliament. Nasma were dear to Janessa Impos Yaria Haba, Ghana for 80 Hung Commonamo Namua, who wanted to send the Pebina Yariebi, Abba Nipediana, skin diseases, now Boba, poor Edda Nipedian Wenny, Abayana Mutu, Wutua Fahono, and Yakono, Abano Empusun Huye, Abana Quay offer so air to Mediano, and Yadi Babua. They say Ababa Daddy said Nipabaya Ahenu, and ye dunum and woman ye be. Now, wish us our impos yaria and nam so many paba, free more. Ghana Health Service for the one dance yanua. Now, no Dr. Kingsley Ajimai able to a bender and now by Bepusun Huye. Now, Ebra one day and Central for Casano, and now Ebuaqua South and Mashebetani, and yet said dear to Abayanim say, says, dear Baku here pie and tetia, dear friend of public education, ye baby be your mom for anywhere. Near more disua emudo, no more by Jumana health protocols, and answer impomdi one more to be a SSU Mutuno, Womatimia tuna impos yariano, one text and then tabaimu.
It's very happy. Let's not joke about health, especially when viral conditions are involved. It is escalating now. Over 200 cases with one death. I think the government has been quite too withdrawn from the action. Health promotion has not been well dealt with. You know, when it comes to health promotion, one has to be very intentional. The government has not been intentional. The Ghana Health Service needs to be very deliberate about this. This is a medical condition that can affect anybody. So the more we get informed about it, the better for all of us.
Sayari ebetimi akanwobia eti ye kan ho asem a ebeboa Dr. Kingsley Ajimai awoye Ebuaqua South emrahebedwani wano anso na Parliamentary Health Committee on Health waka ho bi en wakasa de afa ho say kwan aban efa so toto na so woka aso wonka so woye ho adwuma no emoa enti wada won sori wo tonkonso a wonyane
dom kuma ye wa Ghana mrahebedwa fie ana enrada wo ye nsentrefo nhyiamu no mo siwo asem bi di ka e wo mai mu nti so mpa ho maje na monkoto ma Ghana fo na wo mo kire se ade bia ekoso e wo aban we afa wo mo adwene ho a wo mo nte ase aban sode a ena wo pa dwumade we ho ntoma wo pa dwumade we ho ntoma wo kire se dwumade a wo pa ho ntoma nko an ebro ka tia ho nwi nenso sika wo de beye sa dwumade no won kire sebe bi obenya sika ne de afiri won kire eno nti e ha adwene pa pani aka ne na oye oman foto samfo na wo mrase odwafie ho bia ono kra sta ye ranking member ewo parliamentary committee ewo finance mu ewo marshebedwam ho no General Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam wono enegina domkuma ne nyina anamu eno ne Ghana fo nyina bonko no chese sa kakra ma lonche kakra ma pa we ho ntuma kakra ma padwuma de we ho ntuma no se aban pa ho ntuma eya a won kire ba bia obenya sika edi se adwuma no
Ejumara program they allocated 300 million Ghana cedis. They've released only 34.5 million, half of the year. Agriculture for Economic Transformation Agenda, under which we have Feed Ghana program, and we have the popular Nkoko Nkitinkiti. They allocated 1.5 billion Ghana cedis for these programs. Ladies and gentlemen, it will sadden you to know that half into the year, the minister has not even released one cedi for the implementation of this program. half into the year, not one cedi has been released. Yet they have launched the Feed Ghana program already. Women Development Bank. You recall all the controversy about the inadequacy of this allocation. That of all the support the women of Ghana gave to the NDC, you are putting 51 million Ghana cedis to set up the Women Development Bank, which is even lower. But the sad news is that it is not only small, but as I speak to you, half into the year, not one cedi has been released.
Sikano esano. Ye wura fe no kura mu fa nanso emu kobo sidi kura de yemfa maaye ha dwene pa we Dr. Mohammed Amin Adams na mama ne nsem nanso ho a wode kakra ka ho no wa che se enano a oman foto sanfo ba mra she dwem no wo ka se o se ho ye gross reserve no a $11.12 billion no was we nkontompo ane no kura se ne wura fi se we aban we kura mpo ko na se wo mo aban ne mpo ko no wode $8.98 billion ene jaye ye no de obaye wanka ho asem.
For example, the minister was upbeat about this government achieving accumulated gross international reserves of $11.12 billion, covering 4.8 months of imports as at the end of June 2025, compared to $8.98 billion, covering 4 months of imports as at the end December 2024. It's not completely a new accumulation. It includes the $8.9 billion inherited from the MPP government. The only new addition was $2.2 billion. But if he's comparing 11.1 billion versus 8.9 billion, it is as if they accumulated $11.1 billion. And we left office with $8.9 billion. But that is not the case.
That is not the case. Enya sakra ena etie Dr. Mohammed Amin Adams nensem no no.
Me kan se na KJC Company Limited anopa no nsia kasebo ena wutie efi SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Na ye to so a former deputy attorney general honorable Alfred Odehyieba na sema wodi ato dwane se Unibank asemo a sabre attorney general say nolo posiko a wodi aba beto ho no na kire se emramu na nsam na nya de obeto so enyina so bi a wodi abenti no ha dwene papa if say Unibank asamo no na babia ye duru ne yakonkan anke betimi enya yesika na oman no ebe konkan eti owura Alfred Odehyieba say attorney general fa kire be kasa han na asam no wan hwe sika no kra ye nya na no achi ne nkosi aga no oboa ne kura wo mu a ene say Unibank no prosecutor na asam na wodie no wadi akonanimu pa na aban efa receiver bi ema oye mpense mu fa Unibank fo se de no omabrabo sitie mu omu hunu say figures ne charges no omunya ene nya na it is a charge ni editu wo mutri so no na aban bedi nkunim ana asam ne babia na wo maduru no na aban akonkan pa anka enche enka obi be se kwantinti bia kopie kotia enka ebewie na oman na akonkan na eno so ye free he ana attorney general free he asam no mentoa so biem na se Unibank mfofo mu hunkodi wo bra na nka babia ye duru nka enche enka ebewie eti Dr. Dominic Ayene a wo ye aban lawyer panyin no soafo sha tentene ne so no na asam o ka se asam na acha no enye no kore asam no eba financial case anase bibia fasika asam ho a etona bia eyenya kakra nanso etona bia wo mu asam ne fa wo mo ho no wo mu osika eto mo fa lawyer for dodo no a mo de bobo wo mo so a nanso ye pem koye nimu a enkankunimdie be ye dia eti na asam a wo kasa asam ne mu omre no enye no kore
Minia, the attorney general Castana, the dinner here, MCB or core office or no, on your prostitution case, NJ. They also the only anything. They prosecute case quarter, especially financial crimes. That case dimpa intervention nipana ya chomono. Stawo musem. Omutinyamre a lawyer for omunyamre a case nakasa. And that is how no the court no ye order bia because a call P. It me kwa kudu sibu kono masiamba form. Do for case a share 2020. Ya the court from February 2020. Case a court no say attorney general be fa na hwemu you go say case a court of appeal asiamba form because it will be orders bi empo obi obi adanse amai no mka so mpema ni adanse no ntanya ade a be ka so bi akia ho ana financial crimes yes the boss say it takes that argument na the person chane say there will be this case bi ane na ye fa na court nya di say e be che court na so mreka say e chekeka bia ko ni be duro
Eni ayeti ye eye aban dadan wo soafo abedi ekira na wo ye aban lawyer panyin no soafo hye atenten so honorable afetu ayeboa eno wache na dwene se honorable Dominic Ayene a wo ye Dr. Dominic Ayene a wo ye aban lawyer panyin sabre aban ya bre so no kwa ye Unibank asema nka yakwa akire na nka enchi ye behunu na ye benya ye sika na ye de mra na betu ba bia da na de sese ye de tum ye de betu mu no na wo twa asem ne mu na wo de nsem bia basa anyina so ne mu omre no wo se enye ne kura wo di ne ho yawo.
Kane director Edema Ghana School of Law lawyer Kwaku Ansa Asare wode atodwa ekire se saa asem yi aye kan ya obi so ade obi ho ya umpoi wo se attorney general wo nye boni bia wo nye mfumsuo bia onye ne se wono wahwe ensem no mu ahunu san se wono attorney general no oye seasoned lawyer ena ono Kwaku Ansa Asare no ono nso seasoned lawyer onim se ne mra na tie wa kire mra and one Ukrampo no director of former director of School of Law. Yeah, we munyina no we munim se ne mra no ereto to ho. Asem bi o ho a enipa ni su no wo be hunu se we di anka wa asem pa. Na so he wo be hwe no ne enko ba bia enu bi na attorney general eye enu nti we bi a wo bo ne sobo na wo kan nsem se no de enu no emfa hwe emma na emom asem a wo kan no se ensem bi se no sa attorney general 8 si gina ye bia ya wo ma wo man ni nyina ehunu bi ne edi kan ansana what's the general?
Kwabnadu for asem no se bi o ta fra che Kwabnadu for nye abofra or ye business obey no bata na watumi a build ni business se do be pempen so edu ye na yam famra kwan so egu na adwuma no many anje we say attorney general ba na ono minister for justice na o say ni amoye no na enye ne kwan so no opese otene na say ne kwan so ano no the minister of justice there justice kwan so na say o yusu mra e dey ensure say bia binya ni justice na yembo na bas na encourage no fa normal ento bebia as say eda
yemfa bibia ento bebia esese eda we Dr. Kwaku Ansa Asare Kane director Ghana School of Law ne nkomo ebi eno no na wasan kobokro ya mu no na Kane aban lawyer pani Odehyieba Godfred Yebo Adame wode atoja no wache say attorney general sa ne double standard no a wode ti o mai mu a wo ye na kakra no afa pen ne paper wasi case we matwam no sa na be ye de ne pani akane no woda Capital Bank no William Atuesi na say mene we ka say Ukrampo no ba bia wada kra ye kire say wo yade ya wada afiase no ene ya sade a wonkoyi no na ye hu say ne asem no wawie ne kakra wode nsem wo nyina atugya no wo kire say wo bia wonom se wo mo ye resetting e wo ma yi mu resetting ya no say sabe wo bia di dream anase wo bia di bone na mra e kire say nipa na di bone na ye mfa ne nyina mra na no a atane general ba ya wo say asem mani nyihu bi onu atwam asem mani nyihu bi onu atwam esan say saafuo nyina no ye ndisifuo nti na wo kire say ewo mu se what say Atuesi etua 30 million Ghana cedis ewo a car na da litis wo no so na che so some kwode be say 9 million Ukrampo esa ka ho a wode abeka ho mpo na no atwam wo say watua be say 39 million Ghana cedis na so sika no enya ne saa keke se wutua obi a se bi obedi abonefusem bia no ewo se mra no ni die na ene ni di nso a na ne di ni di pa we eye Kane attorney general ewo mayi mu Yero Godford Yebo Adame eno aka na dwen e de akire attorney general Dr. Dominic Ayene
na sensika semu nsensem ya na former director general de ma internal audit agency Dr. Eric Oduro Osai wodi atodwa se auditor general wo mu ano de abasan bi abandada no anasa aban emfie atwam no sikadie bi se ko na magidudu sei eno am se ya mane mekanisa ya wonche wo report nim sikadodo a wonya eno wonya firi he se na etie efa financial irregularities ho anasa sikasem ntutue bi ankoyie wasesa wo hwe auditor general 2024 report no a wochem se sika afa ni pan bin santem yantutu ni ye 18.4 billion Ghana cedis ebre bi atwam 2023 de no na 8.8 billion Ghana cedis eti apeja baba bedu 18.4 billion Ghana cedis na ose wo betimi afa kwan bi so na wagi emu be yo hanchemu edu wotwe enan achirepo enum 84.5% ya wo mechire Ghana fo ekon befa so a obedi sa sika no
would have to show us the evidence. We should have confidence in our Attorney General and we will take him by his words. I can tell you that if he comes out to tell us that he's recovered and it is cash and we want further and better particulars of receipt, we'll be able to get it. So we will be able to get it. At this stage, I don't want to doubt him. I want to give him that benefit for him to come and explain the process of recovery, what has been recovered, and the steps he intends taking to putting in place for us to get the remaining 40%. Also want to hear from him what is going to happen to those who contributed to all of this. It is an important factor for me.
Eni Dr. Eric Odro Osai, former Director General of the Internal Audit Agency, wano ene kasai. Sabre Honorable Reverend John Intim Fojo, our Yam Nashebejeni Ewo Asin South, was also a ranking member Defense and the Interior Committee of Parliament. What the Kratebia Babontin say, what is a social media, any platforms who do biso, Nipebi Ekas was say, Akwetiaba elections no enche electoral commission, anyone some ebababe tujano, Sakasakani Roye ebeba, emoja ebe hwiegu ase menka asem bi etesa eya atro etigana fo nyina emontungu wo kire mu biem se akwatia ba election no a wonnam wa no kohu se social media obi atro de ne dia hyase se han Honorable Reverend John Intim Fojo a wo yem na hyebedwani wa Asin South no sanso ye ranking member Defense and Interior Committee of Parliament say emoja be hwiegu no se me obi enni se me obi a me prasomdwe me yobi a me pesa Ghana fa ntuma pefra mentimi nkogina babia na menya menipa me yede kwakase yenkohwe moja ntungu eti sansam ne de eya atro Ghana fo montungu eye nipa bi ene pesa omo keka sansam no na omo digu me ho fi anaso omo digu mani mose eti wode krata babontene a wode eye press release ababontene a wode ne kokromotie tim so na wo si ono Honorable Reverend John Intim Fojo no wode to Ghana fo nyina anim se wonya bibi ate sa da eti wani bobi bi so na wo si obi atro na wodi ne dia no wakase a threat of bloodshed in upcoming Akwetiaba election. Reverend John Intim Fojo na enye ono a eye nipa bi ene hyesumasia wo mabo wo mutirim na wo mo ankasa fa kwati kwan so etu anamo bi a etisa enu nti wodi tudwa se mpanifo emo sansem nyina ntungu na wo sre so se wo mo nam kwati kwan so ye bibi etisa na wo munyai efise enye nokre de biara da na medanso wo NPP amanyoko mu no memfa former member of parliament edema Asin Central Honorable Kennedy Ohine Japan me fan story emra Honorable Kennedy Ohine Japan akopre ko de ababonten say 2028 general elections no MPP for ebekwa prebie no party ne presidential primaries no wo yi ne tipre ko pese wo pese wo prebie na delegacy for gine tum na wotimi ekogina na wotimi ekonkan etu o magana for ne titru MPP achita afo nyina aso ate se enkabomu eneye ye pese Ghana fa ne ntuma pa efrade a wono Kennedy Japan no wonim se ababo abu bi wonimu bibi wonimu enema pa bi wonimu a ebetimi aboa na edi nkonimdi ebeye ne dia na ebema no akonkan na no na wo kyerem se wo kan sa se de be ya MPP achitafo nyina be hunu se enye se bia wo ba be di agro na wo ba se wo de ne ti ba be wuram se de be ya beboa ama party ne flag bearer na wo mo pe no wo mo nsa betimi atobiso ye de ne kyerem ewo Muno East Tachiman na yakwa akobon komo bi afiri Tachiman South NDC mabunu ye wo ho kyere se ye cheche wo man keki ya yema obi abie na wo no mode wo moja abre atempenten kwa ama party no aba abanwa so no ye yi won afirim na wan kyerɛ sɛ saa mabunu a Tachiman South yi wo mo bre pa eye adwuma e de party wo mo franka adware won ho akɔfa Tachiman ya kosi sɛ party ne ba abanwa so na sabre wo mo edide na fe ba so mo dide de a pupu obo na asu wo mo de asu ka kye na enam so ama wo mo akwakototo regional and municipal NIA office National Identification Authority no why akotum se twetwere se wan mo bia enko ya adwuma na pani a wono edi domanim ewo saa emabunu yimu eye baba Fatima wono ene di animu na yere ne bonko ma na kire mu sei
NDC MPP na ya funu bakomba ye bekon but ye kun wie na de bedin kokowa din kokko de bedin kunu wadin kokko na ye de yie asan atu ye ne akan kan sabo na ye de ye di aduane but akwakọ say 2020 ye lusu ye no so no ye nkrofo mu wo ha assembly sia a mu ye ha adwuma wo ha MPP fo ba mu aye mu nna kwakuru ase akoto mu atwene wo ho o ma bu bi mu krampa pa mo so mo ye hia mu adwuma dia mu declare say MPP awe na sa de na mo so operations no but ye funu ye frame no awofo na owo ye no we ba time pa enti no ye wini ye no ye mamunda good 7 months mu de aye adwuma MPP fo amu aye
Baba Fatima no wo mo frɛ no Commander 1 wono no di anim ma wo mkoye saa entutumu no na we wiye yepe na abrante ba kwa no so ka ho Abdullahi Seidu wa chese ade we bufu pa wo se ya abote se wo mo abre 2024 2020 ni nyina mu wo mo bre ya na 2024 de aban ba ye ɛbaayɛ deɛ deliberately wɔn mo ahyɛda na wɔn ayi wɔn asi nkyɛn.
Yabrema party na ba ne deɛ ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo brɛ no ɛna edie sɛ mpanyinfoɔ na ayɛ sɛ ɔmo di youth na aboro a yɛntena ase 2020 youth no na ewu yɛ yɛbɔ nipa tuo ɛwɔ floor yɛ a yɛgyina so yɛ a ɛde ku hɔ panyin bi aba nka ho ne wɔfa ase nka ho ne nana nka ho ne ba nka ho 2024 yɛsan yɛ adwuma ɛma party no ɛba power yɛnsoro de whole Ghana yɛbɛtuma aka sɛ tachiman adwuma yɛyɛ obi anya bi binsida ɔmo bɔ yɛ tuo 2020 ne yampa aba yɛsan bɛgyina hɔ sɛ ɔmo bɛku yɛ a kɔ ɔmo nku yɛ but ɛnɛ no party ne baayɛ no yɛna yɛnua no ɔmo bɔ yɛ tuo yɛna yɛabrɛ no ɔmo ayi yɛ free party no enti yɛse adwuma bi MPP fo gumu bia wɔ tachima ha a ɛyɛ appointment bia no yɛbɛtutum yɛnte aseɛ until sɛ yɛmpanyinfoɔ no ɛde pɛpɛre yɔ ɛbɛyɛ adwuma
wei ayɛ Abdullahi Seidu ɛna ɔde nsɛm wei ɛto dwa.
Meka wo se kasebo wutie fi SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Na ye ka mo se na KJC Company Limited anopa no nsia kasebo ena wutie no. Eko ba simpri mu aye tene so a na ye sɔreɛ. Adansie ho niema hyansie ekowie. Ne ye woto adansie ho niema firi ne nkyɛn a ehira egu ne so nti wo hyansie a wotimi wie preko pɛ ɛyɛ nana KJC Company Limited. Na adansie ho niema nso ɛyɛ papa. Eti sɛ wo to biribi afiri ne nkyɛn a wonim sɛ ɛyɛ quality, wonim sɛ ɛyɛ original, wonim say a authentic and no a nana KJC Company Limited. It is a nadoa, say a plywood, say a building wire, say a cement, say a iron rods, and also roofing sheets. No, Ningina, no general building materials there. Nana KJC Company Limited, a catch and a ubenya, one free consultation and a free delivery. A one a wokota dancing huniama, yet the good Camunia de Aquama Ufiri, eti depo Akasia, Kasua Kumasem Yam Yanina Konongo, Babia Ubehuno, or branches etchen will be a Mantam Dun Siana Tamale Babia. Ubehu nana KJC Company Limited. Nyame yeshira nti odo hoba dondo ana dondon so na saw. Eti ene bi busa say what asa say. Wo dan na fe na woto foundation ana. Eye cement na wo pe, eye abo na wo pe, eye anwea na wo pe. Anasa wo pe plywood, anasa wo pe iron rods. Abrochire fo amusi dan. Nipa na mode ahye wo monsa na monka nkyere wo mo say. Monko nana KJC Company Limited fi say ho e na woto adansi ho ne ma beboa. Ne bo nso eda fom. Abasuban watching Ghana Hani Amanone no Enyasam Ketwa na no Central Steve for Emani trailer any track say outstanding services 2023 Nana KJC Company Limited Accra ni Kumase obetimi afre no ewo 020-4355-040 020-4355-040 eko basimprimu bemmen yetene so na ye sorry na secure sanitary pass de ema ya hotoso ne ye bambo eno no sa wo ye oba na wo nya nu menopause de Busumi bia epokoko no wubetwa na emom se wo twa atwa ne yie fa secure sanitary part siesie wo ho na watimi de akokoduro watimi de apia bonten watimi ashada atade fita wo bra wo nhye wachie na mtaba na etre bai eti efa wo pie to na se left and right baabia efa so na afa fam eti wo de ahotoso na ebepie na etare a se de esitie na enwaida na nam pel gel no pel cotton na wo mu ninte no etimi boa ma wonya extra comfort honso enkeka wo eti hygienic etimi eboa wo honso so enye ohaw bia se wo de heavy and light flow ne nyina secure sanitary pad no obesolve problem e de amount ye wo two ye was long and ye wo extra minty and ne nyina na hye mako dumienu eti we ne ye fa na alpha and omega eti with secure sanitary pads ladies we are secured mama excellent cosmetics e wo kumase se wo duru ho a wo betimi anya bi wo betimi afra no wo adum PZ anase kwada so estate taxi station 024-38-62158 024-38-62158 Secure sanitary pads ladies we are secured Endpoint homeopathy clinic yedi ayaresa aba what try bia fe de what penten kwa wabre ufri ayaresa bia baako ufri ha na wokɔ ha ufri ha na wokɔ ha na nkrofo bre na difo atrofo gi usikadi se de wapem enti bra Endpoint homeopathy clinic if se ho de wuduru a ye fa ne se ayaresa na mapem Endpoint homeopathy clinic Dr. Duboate enenedom a doctor for ne nurse for wo muni madwuma a wuduru kumase a kronoma bo ahia ɛhɔ no wo mo hye ena tema community 22 ko wana so hotel no eben wo ho ena no achi ne se wo walk enkran ha Sprinters Road anasa Sprinters kwana so baby efre ho shell signboard no for ani kina ho sesi a edi enti na make kasa de enti a make kasa ne se awona wo pɛ no a wo tim fifire awona wo pɛ na wo tete no kɔne emfa homeopathy so ne ma wo ngomfa ho mfa wo ba prostrate no a wanya prostrate enlargement no a bema say wo na mwana obaba wa hem no come yemfa homeopathy endpoint homeopathy emfa ensa wo yare wo nerve kidney liver issues no a wo ji hu ba bia enyi ne esi apro yesi asai no kona endpoint homeopathy etime mu a wo fa ba bia adwodwo wo na mwana asa ananse ne na mo nipaduam ebia na stroke na ebo kokko no come yemfa homeopathy so if say homeopathy no a branch of medicine edansom endpoint homeopathy more than 17 years and what dia juma anti physiotherapy and massage ni nyina eka ho anopa ifre Dr. Dubuanten wono abefa number no na wa boawo se de be ya yare a atena wo so no watu ase for endpoint homeopathy clinic e was 0244 867068 and 0244 867068 and 027 4234321 027 4234321 now with them endpoint homeopathy clinic homeopathy no yen ye tiase yen ye de eboawo wo tie kase boy was SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra yen ho me so ye ba ye beto so
Munde dinam se menya foreign call. Hello papa. What about to be a new? Se me feel London eko US. Eh na no kra wo kura fra me bo mamania. Na papa mo ho te sei. Awurade aduma haboko. Na kujejesi eko bo sempene mo. De woton wadanse ho niam no nso. Wo hye ho de. Oh, wo hye ho. Eko ba. Mesi wo bo aduma kura sre kane no a. Na wodro US won so manfo bo ndin sa na. Eh papa US hakura de. Na kujejesi company limited agi ba bia. Wo Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. Eba adensi ho niam dia. Obia se na kujejesi company limited. Na matese wo bie depo kesie bi e wo kaso a. Ehwo na wo bia koto adensi ho niam. Na eye no kura papa. Oh, eye no kura pa. A police station in Chenhua. Hey, a kuoba sempre mono no. Onye mereda. She, we kura no miensemua ene obi en foforo yawo. Baako abua kwase paase kumase. Ene baako so pokura se nkran ha. Obi ase na kodwogesi eye bemaba e wo dansi mu. Waton cement, iron rods, banding wires, and adua plywood and just say the board dance ro. Te se bibia e de hye e dansi ase de kɔwie. Depo no nyina nso eye tufo bo. Wodu kuka mu a, wodu kodwa free. Akra wuyi kaswa depo eni pokrasi de no kra to nkyɛn a wɔsa wo bu akoteman Tantra Hill Iron City amanfrom wɔsa bie depo kɛse nso ɛwɔ Koshiman Kumasi sepase depo no kra da nkyɛn a ebi so magazine road head office no wɔ bie depo kɛse nso ɛwɔ da de ntam edwi so Akra road Femeswa opposite Alhaji Selia ampaba meboshen Tanoso Breman and Amanfrum. Number so man for the free 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93.
Nana kujejesi company limited.
Hey, kuaba simprimo.
Endpoint homeopathy clinic. Ghana had the obi enim sesa ye prostate. Na baby omutibi ye screening ema hu ni ye etu asia. Na eye endpoint homeopathy clinic. Anase eye kidney, eye liver problem. Wo fa baby ena adwodwo. Na de fa ne premature ejaculation no a be ma bi a wo ne wodofo akwakwahia. Asa wo di ne ho agro. Asa wo tonte. Ene ye bra endpoint homeopathy clinic. Na ye moa wo. Ema ne mema mo pa wo. Eye endpoint homeopathy clinic. Wo mo demufua. Yare bia infections bi ne wo ho. Anase bia wo hwa wo fa baby na adwodwo. Kidney problem, prostate de. Eye endpoint homeopathy clinic. Kuma se ubehu endpoint homeopathy clinic. Ewo kronoma bohia. Ena Akra hanso so de. Wo mo gyinamu ankasa. Ewo Spinters bebre friend share signboard no. Udru na ubusasa wo pe endpoint homeopathy clinic. Obi a ebechro. For endpoint ewo 0244 867068 and 027423431. Endpoint homeopathy clinic. Wo mo demufua.
Kweku, minim se wayeshi. Me kraman nane. Nanso eboni show wa embaso.
Mane hon sepeno. Ebony condoms comes in different flavors and available in all pharmacies, chemical shops, over-the-counter shops, and pubs. For bulk purchases, contact 055-230-0075. Ebony condoms, Ghana's most pleasurable condoms. Make it worth it.
We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. We got peppermint, strawberry,
Ewura, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bagi.
Bra, aden, enen so biem.
Hey, time heba me hye ya me ka se yi ba kun. Ani wayi me ensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me hya, esia gyimi ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me hya, me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ene de me kwa akopie. Enti se malaria, we draw ne time heba mixture.
Enye enu nku o, de nanum ato a wontimi ani die no. Time heba mixture duro no ene ye ma wo. Oba a wafa afuro de wo ma akwada no fo. Ene akwada a woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi. Se obeto aduro yi bi anoma, hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab am ye hu se wo atridie malaria yi bi ansa. Se o pe time heba mixture enu dudu atu a, fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House. Ana ba akoso wo atonsu Monaco Junction.
Eno echi ubenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop dodo na emu.
Pre 0244 417669.
Kayo, set time no TIME. Time herbal mixture. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu be tuako.
FDA aji ejodi nkratu yi atum.
TV Emma Aketiapa.
Yema obibia kwa ba edeba na na kwa Jojesi Company Limited kase ya yede somwa no pay so na yemfa nsem no enkopie mu ewo amanone. Na num ho ene yete se basabasa ye bi akoso ewo South East London ama enam so ma enipa bi krampo atwetwe se kan ede awo wo nkrofo bi na eno ena bambofo eba emu won che se nipa mienu a wo mo efri mu ewo saa basabasa ye num no na ye se ye obi ene ne ba ni odi kan no eye Terry Macmillan wanya mfinhia no aduonum enwotwe ena ne ba ya ye frɛ no se Brendan Macmillan ono nso anya mfinhia no aduonu enso 27 na wo kyerɛ se Terry Macmillan de wono wo mo ansa kwa no mo pagya no de na kwa ya sabia no na wawu ewo hɔ a ena ne ba ye frɛ no se Brendan de wo mo de ne kodu ayasabia no ɛhɔ mo a ena okogye mu enam so ama bambofo ani abre pa ya ho mo hwɛ so wo mo de yie ebetu yie na sabasabasa yie ensibio
kase bono esi wutie free SOMPA 106.5 FM nefa ye headquarters e wo Kumasi SOMPA 93.1 FM Kumasi wonso ayiko 100.9 Paris France ya Danfo pa radio takwa SOMPA ya 101.1 takura de SOMPA tachima SOMPA sonyana SOMPA enkranza SOMPA doma SOMPA mankasim eye Kingdom 106.5 Kingdom 106.1 FM ena decoder so ye SOMPA FM YouTube no so ye SOMPA FM live Facebook eye SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra na nyina ka ho bi no mo fakase boy e ma no edi mo na KJC Company Limited secure sanitary pass endpoint homeopathic clinic ene boy chidom ye ne de kase boy esomo no pay me akosua ago aboagye obetimi afrem ya akosua nhira me ne me doba
obrempon na kwaku ampoma
Odehyieba special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese word na akese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Odehyieba special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de entie fre ne local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes wa pro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya abontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi Odehyieba suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se mo mfra Odehyieba special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mo timi serve Odehyieba special local food pese wo fra eye 02463599921 02463599921 and answer 05947972215 05947972215 for na would them
Mamenka baby kaka fa makoma mo hine ho nkyerɛ obɔ me ne mabusua ho ban
me dia no hye mabusua fi awon to aso so awon to aso so
hye mamenka kyerɛ me dia mama sire da ne da
me dia no kyerɛ papa de etimi kwa sabe bia ye odu wo ho
aba
Meya Shasia Bio, Intibura no Namukan
Oh, Debbie, Pepsodent 200 grams for no one some can you. Hey, Coco.
Pepsodent Coco promo nunie, a Pepsodent Cassieda Danoa, na the 25 grams aka home. Jewodie, na bow bush your home by, na show same day, FDA, Aji, Guardian Crash way.
Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Ghana had the OBN himself a prostate. Na baby, omutibi screening, Emma Huni ye, etuasia, na a Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Anasa a kidney, a liver problem, wofa baby and ajujo. Na the friend premature ejaculation, no, bear maybe a one would offer quaquasia, as a wood dinner huagro, as a wood tonte. Any ebra Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic, na yamuao, a man mema mo power, a ye Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic, wamu de mufua, yarie bia, infections been a woho, anase bia wonsha wofa baby na ajujo, kidney problem, prostate dear, a ye Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic, kumase ubehu Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic, ewa kronoma boy here, ena akra hanso so dear, wamu jinemu ankasa, ewa spinters, baby, a friend share signboard, no, who drew na ubusasa wope Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic, obia ebetro, for Endpoint, ewa 0244 867068, ena 02742343321, Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic, wamu de mufua. 21st Clinic, yes, sciatica expert, sciatica no, when nerves ne wa to us and if I was slim, never on Nansia, Bessia, Siahono, say, I won't teach him, and not any offense sciatica. Now, it me boo or to us, say, I say, Jay, was slim, would you be a any? Nanona 21st Clinic by a Juma Power Muyentia Basubo, Majin Wagana, and Yamonone, and Yasam Ketua, Wamuji International Awards, I would Wamuji Local Awards, I would do. Now, no sooner Wamu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrimhano, a bini baby, I just 21st Clinic in Kwa. Wamudia Bibi drew, and a besan, I don't know, the machine account. Aya Sabia, Yaribia, with me the corner, my dear Bakua, Woma Gidi, Womupano, Aya sciatica, and a stroke, so the qua, diabetes, and hypertension, near Deniade. Ghana have baby, our moho, and cry her, say, you were Tantra Hill runabout. So, Woofy and cry, bar, you were one sunny faso, Uframa Sama so ne bansua, one sabunkum so, a hona will be huye. Fred 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st Clinic. Still, one way sciatica expert. Addicted to Christ Movement, Woman Youth Ministry, Ewa Church of Pentecost, Tema Community 1 District, Yedi Jumedia Freno, Breaking Chains Conference 2025. Jumedia, Ebosome Menda, Bosome Watching, Nida Tosumienu, Ewa J.W. Saki Memorial Temple, Church of Pentecost, Obono FMHO, Tema Community 1, Anopono Wachepepe, Na Yashasie, Woman within Yamia Sam Emaye, Eye NS Anane Yabua, one the Jumedia Esina Betiso, also for Samson Jeffe, Reverend Seth John Akwe, Uncle Kwaku Edumata, Elder Dr. Philip Nyenaku, na Enyum Twodie, was so for Edwin Jackson, Perry Lechu Walker, and a True Vine, and a Debemaye. Breaking Chains Conference 2025. So want to be Biasiano Afre 0550 106685 and a 024 068 6980. Item 13 so Ebewo to Medie Aye Free A2CM Partners and a Emmanuel Community Hospital and a Ebo Yechidom. Media partners Aye Pen TV and a Sompa FM Accra. Breaking Chains Conference 2025. Me show him some mehu.